Welcome to the world of coding. My name's Avi, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the Python language. I'll do so by making what's called a Hello World program. So let's jump into it. To write my program today, I'm going to use a free service called replit. All you need is an internet connection, and you can start coding. Hello World in Python looks like this. And it reads, print, open parenthesis, open quotes, hello, space, world, closing quotes, closing parentheses. When I hit the green Run button, the results of my program will appear on the right side of the screen. And if you got the words hello and world to appear just as they did for me, you wrote your program successfully. And that's a wrap. If you're curious why we write Hello World programs, or have any other questions about what we've done, please ask in the comments section below. Hope to see you in the next video, where we will cover a greeting program that talks back to the user.